Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Also say PURC. Omo dwuma no aso omo magana for edi ensesi form.
Maybe when you have an institution, omo ya hu say omo ya dwuma ekya aban bi and they will cover aban ya. Omo for the bebre. Omo for the bebre. They use the office to fight John Dramani Mahama.
Tana wo hu no.
Yes.
How?
Oh yes. You see the issues like light. So Mama tell me, no damn they go back and tell me why. Why I did not don't bring turntable? I almost
Now the PURC for na time.
the BCG, no institution ejuma.
Okay.
More institutions. Tariffs are raised institution issue eju. What was the justification? Come now, John Mama was when they raise it, they talk about. Ubakaya, ECG, I can say like about 2 light bill. I think 2019. The government can say 1 penny. The president say, I'm for bonnet, Babaso say, oh, I buy a day. Now you get 2 light bill, but I buy at so. And then never to say no. But when you have institutions that cannot stand their feet, this is a challenge that we go through it. This is a challenge. They say gas, gas no come to crap. In fact, come my argument on budget, taxes. No say enkan o be kaya. Budget ni ba ye. Na ye enkan gas issue no. But sa na o man pedi na nkasa nim so obetu gas mo.
No am panyi na tum.
Na why
Institution na tum.
Why na tum?
Institution no.
Institution me. Why na our institution no? And why institution? And what is need to have my 2 gas mother? What is that? Institution are buying what control also. The institution that we said that we allow the institution to work. When come on, we Juma under John Dramani Mahama. I'm saying John Mahama when you Juma ye. When this up
And no Ghana for na kind as institutions.
NPP champion that course.
Okay.
They champion that course. Amuka say that is why I mine every. It's a bar. Yen cost how no.
Your near man nyina so ye bre.
And that is why we got. In fact, now the crap on the Bible quotation or use so yet is a castle na accommodate. Yet is a castle na accommodate. Oh, we were unim. Say obi kitaka. Na car not free. Na the mo bi na kitaka no. Car not free. No ka say we good driver. And I want to see who. The car ni ko jina never free popo. All about so do driving and I want him driving. Yeah, economy ni year man nanado. Light issue say stable. 4 years. I didn't cut ra. Who say say free popo no say so ntimi free popo ni bi. Who say say free nanado anka say popo no. Who say ntimi free popo no. And I want 2 gas mo. Yeah, 2 light bills mo. Ufu ale tum dada. Iron rod aye to nanado 80 free na 2,700. In the road I go 5,000. Now me did the person I got road 1 ton, untimanto. Because we need 2 tons, I got 1 ton. This is the challenge that we are in. In the light of issues, any light bill be increase. You just have to tell us, the NPP deceive Ghanaians. Say light of mean 2 light bill, and I say light bill no. It has now come to reality. It has come to the able to stage, But because light, whether you doom light here and doom light, who use light? You use light. That never man where you use light. That is what they are increasing. In your light of now, so this is the time now they are now speaking the language that Ghanaians must understand. But they need to explain to Ghanaians and say, yes, light be na ye no. And you hear sika adia ye in your mind light nejina. Yes, sir, doom so no ebe continue. It will continue. Because the second thing they will do is stage away. And they are asking for money again in this difficult time because I feel we are cables. I feel we are nyama. They are more increment, Where will we go as our mind? Can the country raise any money somewhere to come and cushion them? They be. Inti kasa de bia baumia kan ye and the economy is good and the aye bibia and the John Mahama time 90 million we have gotten to the reality. Omaino baby I could do.
With the tariff increments near I heard the executive director of ASAP. And I know can say if the tariffs no increment no ekoswa, a time may come people will resort to the use of their own generators because no ebe cheaper because you increase the tariffs but in your light no emfa nye adwuma. One ne be ya adwene was ade no.
No, if this stage, everybody will find an easiest way to manage his system. Uko Liberia, Omo hotel different. Your hotel are answer light if you are not see we are. Because all light if you don't and the cost of the when
Consumption.
higher. So obia that time obia be share kwanya which one will I use to make it easier? But you see, ocean is not be so say aban waja fuel diesel no to mu. Aban what to is light bill no. Was out to diesel mu. And you look up into manu ya easy bio. The only thing that we see is say yeah in a bebre because me the light any pure water may increase price you know. And the reality me I make us say no say 2014 2012 omo ka kire say your light bill la ya tuo Ghana ha as soon as the whole Africa
Yeah, in Ghana.
yes MPP did that agreement. So
Okay.
to Abama MPP umba ambeti so. In fact, that is why when MPP came to power, they reduced some light bill. Get artificial light bill reducing. Artificial. I say now do they what me yes why? In fact, I'm say what light bill. All of us say, oh why are they what light bill no so na kan jo mama nanka ube ye campaign be say your light bill no boy didn't say die rent. Okay. MPP did that campaign. Today we are going that plant. In fact, in there, who rented down a bit 300 Ghana cedis, a bit 500. The light bill echo the same cost. The time they mentioned, they will be in G 500 Ghana cedis. So reality they do no. Reality you do. Then I am a month for. In fact, there's an argument every day. The light bill issue a bar. You see, illegal connections. Also, in fact, I remember 2014. As on my, you can say all institutions, we should remove them from power into solar.
Yeah.
Then for Omodina,
It's so lampo. I'm say prepaid or something.
prepaid, prepaid.
Yeah.
And I can say for two ministries, we to be solar free from Monday to Friday. Yeah, all these analysis, you can want them, but did we practice it? We have not practiced it. I can say illegal connections. This is the argument. You can focus here on it. At the end of the day, we go back again to pay the cost that we are talking about. Obakacha will say, friends say losses in power. Friends say, I'm for lusu bebre. But here we are. Put your light bill. In fact, one of our bills, you know, this light bill. But see that bill, sign a age more Ghana.
You like be bring juma.
We pay. You see, because they consume more power.
Sense.
In fact, then now government say, okay. Yes, sister, light na you use for street light, and you use this that halogen because consumption is very low. In fact, I know people use a 3 man now off. And even now they call commission here Bolga, the only project where Upper East region in 2020, and now the to be commission street light Bolga. So for me, this argument will come. Others say Obega say increase here. Why are they increasing? That's the question we need to ask. Because yesika di ejuma. Because yasa no government me go is capable probably empower more. And are buying so especially with the MPP. I say they will let institution in Kasa. They will control the institution, but they cannot sustain that pressure. That is why we are getting this one. But if you allow the institution to operate, the way John Mahama allowed them to operate without problem. In fact, no problem.
Your mama time no man, you come my institutions near juma.
It's light bill as someone and to tum. Institution when you But then people stop the president. The president stopped the EC not to increase the power. They study. You know what Kasapi almost say in your buying a institution. But John Mahama time no light your cost no one money. No one money. So let us bring this conversation. Let us me say. It doesn't matter the government baby. When it get to campaign time, the message that I will sell will depend on what Ghanaian will buy. But let's be truthful to Ghanaians. First, tell the Ghanaians say, "Adia ye way and a beboa." Now, yes, I know. You do election, but when the government will say, on elections, this is the problem we will get through.
Don't you think so with the ECG, there were challenges with the distribution? Distribution, there were challenges. When you say I was say ECG, almost sitting back, almost share correct all those challenges. Because sabio light in a flow Emma Gannon, when ya the juma hairdresser, when ya your madina, your war industry, one also in ya light and at the juma. Now, Cassa, we increase it tariffs. I don't think anybody will come and complain. But there's a switch whereby he experience it or polite the juma and ma. Also, say once also betum, I'm gonna say to you more. You walk or buy. Don't you think so was set or mutnas and na challenges are a what distribution channel no one more SCS challenges than sana increment we ever.
But almost says you cannot hire yes, the reason why I promise never want me, they don't allow them to charge the right cost. That is the explanation almost ma. Say your mom quite any idea on pesa omuye. And that's the challenge that they are going through. So when people use it as campaign, it gets to this problem. That is the bottom line of the issue. Say, you see, they will not give. They will give. But because the power is not there for them to give, you see, some power no. You see, power no. In the municipal, because power no go generator no, the cost 20 mintimento. Into one way blame me.
Would ye or ha actually punk no? Needs FM.